Yes, sir. With doubts, I have submitted in that mail ID, sir.
In the session, I cannot. Okay, what is the doubt now? Yes, please. Yeah, Dipti, go ahead. Fast. Mahesh,
Yes.
what's your status?
Yes. So in my case, I was not able to get the login ID because I searched to mail. I have not received any uh,
Did you get the
login ID
chance to drop
email.
the mail?
In actually not. I have actually written the uh, program as well. Not got a chance to drop the mail.
I guess how many you get the access, right?
Yes, I got the access. Sir, after going inside, where should be submit, sir?
Hmm?
After asking inside, where should be submit, sir?
Your voice is not clear, sorry.
After asking the website, where should we submit the assignment, sir?
I'm not still clear. What are you asking? There's some background noise here. What are you asking? Can you bit loud?
Where should she send assignment like
Submit.
that? She
Okay. I guess this is the mail ID. Out at the rate pravatech.com.
Mail ID itself, we can submit, sir.
Yes, you can do that.
Okay,
Hope it's fine.
okay, sir.
Thank you. So let's have a quick revision what we have yesterday. So we talk about the flowchart, and flowchart we talk about use case. Okay, we have a multiple case basic, uh, right? If without else, if else statement. Then we talk about nested loop, right? Then we talk about inside it. We can write multiple if, and we find out the bigger number, find the biggest number. Then we talk about the for loop. After the if statement, we talk about the for loop. And the for loop, we have this. That is the value we talk about, how to write the loop for loop. Okay, then we talk about the range. We talk about the keywords in the range. Three argument we can pass: stop, and the step. Then we had some more example based on a combination of if else and for else as well. And ask you for the prime number, which is very, still I will put this assignment on hold. You have a complete week, so you can take your time and work onto that. Okay, guys? Okay, so let's go with the while loop.
Uh, yes, so before going forward, I just have one query regarding if we have some queries related to the program which we are looking for. Where can we ask? Will it be in class or shall we have to drop the mail for it?
If after the session, if any doubts, query, you can write the mail tech support at the rate what I given to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
So we will get the reply through mail itself. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
So,
So today we'll start with the while loop. Okay. Uh, the while loop in Python is used to iterate. It's same like we have in for loop over a block code long. This is the syntax for while loop. Write the condition while and write the condition for this. So you can see that case one. This we have discussed, right? Write the loop while index. This is the loop length of val. Okay. till this, I directly write this length. So if you want to know even what is the length, so 6 length is okay. So this also you can write 6, or this is where you can write check the length. Okay. So till 6 it will work. Fine. Product star is equal to val index. Index plus equal to. So Dipti, can you help me to read this flow? How it will work?
Yes.
Can you help? And this flow, can you help me to read this? How this will go?
Index less than or equal to length value 1.
Hmm. So let's say, okay, index is equal to what? 0, right? Then length will be what? Length is 6, right? So
Yes.
it will run till
It
6.
will.
So it will
Then it
start
will
from 0, right? Product is equal to 1. Product, the condition is true,
multiply or
right?
equal to. Yes, yes.
Condition is true. It's a 0. Condition is true. 0 is greater than 6. Then product is equal to into val index. What we have index value? 0, right?
Yes.
So 0 and product is what? 1. So 0 into 1. What it will give you the output? 0.
Zero.
So product still at 0, right? Index value will get
One.
increment. Alright?
Yes.
Product is index value will get incremented. Alright, so by 1. So now it will become 1.
One.
Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now it will print product is
One.
product is. So I have written this is how. Remember, we learn about if you want to write any statement to print any variable output. So what we write? Product is format product. For product is format product. Product value is what? It will be
One.
0. Okay. For this 0, it is not ready. Okay, so it's giving 1. Let me just okay. Product is coming 1 because still the product values here 1 is taking. Then it will get multiplied by 2. 2 into 1, 1. Then 2 to the 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 5, 120. 125 into 6, 720. After this condition will fall, so it will now. You can write something if you wish here. All right, if you want to
Yes.
write something, yesterday we have discussed, right?
So firstly, sir, question is there that when we say that product into index value which will be a zero for the first case,
Hmm.
that the product value would be zero, correct?
No,
So
value index. Index is what? Zero. Zero value what we have?
zero.
No, one.
Zero value. One.
The value is one, right? Index value, what is the value on index zero? When you write this val index, what it will give you the output?
One.
Zero, right?
Oh,
On zero, what is value we have? One, right? You got it?
okay, okay, okay. It means that it is going to read that zero
It is
line
Zero.
not
means.
multiplied by the index. What is the value? This means the value. Let me write it here. Okay.
Mhm.
So the value index is what? Zero. I guess we have learned this. All right. It's saying what one. On this position, what is the, on this address, what is the value? 1. It's not
Okay.
multiplied by index. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So that means like in first case itself, product will be one, which will be going to print as one. Correct. Okay. Okay. Got it.
1 into 1, 1. I was okay. Clear? How many?
Okay.
All good? You can print something here as well. add now whatever you think you learn, start implementing in your code additionally. I hope most of the doubts I will clear in this session. If you have any, please let me know. But yes, if any assignment you may get the, some you got stuck, but I will expect first you put your all your effort, still not get done, you write the main. Okay, that's very important because even the assignment, if you're getting the frequent doubts, then the question is how good you're learning. Okay, so you can add it, print the output something here as well.
అప్పుడేనా క్లాస్ ఇంకా అన్నయ్య గారు వచ్చారు అమ్మ ఇంకా రాలేదు ఎందుకంటే అమ్మ కాలేజీ క్లాస్
Yes, just mute yourself there. Excuse me. Yes, Mahesh, done.
Yes, done.
Okay, perfect. Understand. While look, can you write it for odd even number? Yesterday we have done in for loop. Yes, Dipti.
Trying.
Okay. If I say, if I say, okay, let be odd even. I guess it's an assignment. You can do it. If I say I want to know, I want to print index as well. You got the point. So product is one, and what is the index value for one? Can you help me?
2.
Can you give me the output like that? You got it. So for this, what the index read at that time? So the value of
For
product is
even
number.
for even numbers,
Index number for this value, I got this value. So what was the index number was read that time? Got it, Mahesh?
For one, it will be read as 0 was it?
Give me the output, please. Try this. Print in your output as well.
So where can I share this program? Because I have done from my side. I can able to get the output in like way index number
Okay,
what
that's
used
great.
for the print
Okay,
one.
right. That's just wait for this. I will show the code and just cross check and see the approach of the code as well. How
Sure.
lengthy if it is getting the output. So guys, 30 seconds more. Good, Mahesh.
Yes.
Yeah, you're doing good. So implementation is very important. What all you are learning. Yes, Amni.
Getting errors.
All right,
One
Dipti.
second.
Okay, just take a look. Same we have. Why are you getting error? Just print index value plus index. You have to just write here. You just add it a one, or you just move that format if you're getting complicated. Just write index value and index. Simple. I was asking this one statement. All right, no data available. Right, Mesh? In this previous, if the data is not available, I can give you one prompt as well. No data
Sure.
available. Okay.
Actually, I write the else statement, but in print index value, I just write index value. That's it. Plus index, I didn't write.
Okay, no problem. At least we tried. Good. Yes, the recording is on. Yep. Done, guys.
Yes.
Done.
Done.
Dipti, it's
Yes.
clear. Please let me know if any doubts. You have done the same. Nothing has been there. So let's combine this both. If you want to print.
Amo, ठीक है तो एक बोल डी दिस है
So here I print the index value. Here I print the product. So if you combine both, you can combine both as well, right? Later you can try this, combining both, checking the product is one and for the index is this. Okay. So this is using while loop prime number. Okay. So I'm giving the user what is, let me run this, how it will code work. 1 5 is the prime number. No, it is not prime number because it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5. So 15 is not a prime number. So I have written all the case as well. Why also? Because it is divisible by this number. If number is divisible by other number, it is not a prime number. All right. So this is all how the while loop works. All right, guys. Now, write on the break statement.
So, uh, for the which of the program that you made for the while loop for the
Mhm.
prime numbers and all, can we go through it once again? Because we would like to look into the uh, code for it, which was the separately made.
Okay, I understand. That is what I told you. This is the assignment. First, you come with that. You try this, how to work on. I believe you know the concept of prime number, right? A
Yes,
number,
yes.
yeah. So first you try with the for loop, with the while loop. First you check that how much efficient to write the algo to check all
Okay,
this thing.
okay,
Right. And anyways, at last we'll definitely will give you the solution for that. That not be the problem. First, I want your attempt. What is your approach? Okay. Take your time. No, nothing is to worry. Now, break statement. I'm giving you one condition, guys.
hmm
Let's say in a one class we have 100 students, right? right? And I'm finding one number, a name. Attendance, you understand? Attendance, right? So 100 student put the attendance. I want to check that whether that number is genuine or it is proxy, or whether that person is available today or not. All people, like 100 people, I have a list. I want to check whether Mahesh is there or not. So by the data of attendance, like this is all the person, 1 2 3 4 5, roll number 1, roll number 6, roll number till 10, like that. We have roll number 100, right? So let's say Mahesh, your roll number is what, 3, okay, or your ID number is 3. So I want to check whether this ID number is exists, or when you go to the office, you swap your card, right? So I want to check that this ID has been swapped or not. All right. So how will check that? I will write the for loop. If data is equal to 2, 3, all right, and print data if condition is true. All right. This is all the swapping. This data is what? I get this data. Okay, this is all the person. Let's say till 100. Okay, till 100 means 100 people out of 100, this ID has been swapped today. So I want to check that whether this ID has been swapped or not. Okay, so it will check the data from one by one. I believe we have learned this. Guys, clear? For data in X. So if data is equal to 3, print data. If the condition is true, print. Now the question comes, why I'm writing break? So if I write 3, it will check this. No, condition is not true. This condition is not true. Then this condition is true. If I check that yes, this number, this ID is available, then immediately it will break. Means it will break the statement. It will come out from this. You got it? It will come out from it. It will not unnecessarily check other ID number. That is a waste of time, right? Right, guys? Hope you got my point. So if the number already which I'm looking for, if it is match, then it not makes sense to check another number. Let's say 1,000 number, 10,000 number, right? So why should I go for that? So you can use the break statement for that. So break once, if the condition is true, you write break, it will come out from the loop and it will say there's no use of. All right, you see that. For in data,
So
you
it
can
will
write,
come out from whole loop, or
yes,
it
it will
will
come
be
out from
else
whole loop.
statement.
No, 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 no. Else means, let's say I'm writing 6. Okay, got it.
It is out of
And
the
and
list.
that ID is not available. Means that ID has not been swapped. So it's a no, no, not available. Or ID has not swapped. You write any statement, right? Got it?
Yes, it is opposite to for loop.
All right. You will write ID has not. That is all the prompt how you want to show on the screen. If that ID is not matching, got it? Or you write the statement print data. Yes, the ID has been swapped. Format dot data. So it will write that statement as well. Clear? Right, guys?
Yes.
Right? Yes, Amni. Uh, Dipti,
Yes, sir.
all
Yeah,
good?
it's clear.
Okay, run this fast. just a minute, please. Got it? Done? Yes, please.
Doing
If you want up to 3, we can write less than or equal to 3.
Yeah. Less than equal to, that not make sense. Less than equal to, then all the
Less than,
number, then
less,
all the value will start coming then.
sorry, greater than or equal to 3.
Just try this and see
Come
what
up,
is the,
yeah.
yeah, first just what is coming in your mind. Try this. It is all yours on your file. And then check that how it output comes. Is it some logical output is coming or not? Okay. And still not clear, let me know. Yes, Mahesh, done.
Yes, done. With less than, if we consider, then it is output would be the 1, easy case.
So just check that how it works.
Or if I type, if data is not equal to 3, then the output is coming as 1. Why it is not proceeding for 2, sir?
Come up again.
If data is not equal to 3,
Hmm.
then the output is coming as only for 1, not for 2. Why, sir?
Okay. Mahesh, did you get the question? Dipti, what's asking?
Yes, I see now.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, can you explain if it's okay? So it says, Dipti, you are asking question, it is coming for 3. Why it is not coming 1 and 2, right?
So in the condition case, I have put 1 not equal to 3, sir. The output is coming only 1, not 2.
What you have written?
Not equal to 3.
Okay, not equal to 3. What does it make sense?
Which will not equal to be 3.
It will not consider any of it.
Yes, sir.
That is what do you want to do that? Not if data is not equal to 3, it will check this condition 1, 2, 4, 5. So
Yes.
one condition true, it will break. Perfect. Condition once the condition true, it will break. It will come out from the loop. It's working fine, right?
Okay, sir. Fine.
So the question is also not only key execute the code. It should come some meaningful output as well, right? So
Yes, sir.
not equal to 3, it's print 1. But what is 1? Logically, what is giving you the output? The code is executing. That is all. The condition based the code is executing. But does it give any logical output? What you're trying to do here? So keeping that mind as well, You have to understand what do you want to do. I given the real one example, real time. If in office there are many people have swapped the card, I want to check whether this card has been swapped or not. If yes, then give me the output, or you can, the way you want to print the output, you can write it. And if that card not swapped, then it will say that no data available or swap not done.
Thank
Simple.
you.
Understand? Thank you. Sure. Now, one more, using the break statement. Using the break statement, I can help you. Using the break statement, I can help you. Uh, so in the previous, remember, I show you 3, it's divisible by 3, it's divisible by 5. Why you check all this thing? If it's very simple. As soon if it any number is let's say I'm having 30. So 30 is divisible by 2. 30 is divisible by 5, 30 is divisible by 10, 30 is divisible by 15, 30 is divisible by itself. So 4 to 5 number, why you checking? If you're giving the prime number condition, why are you checking all this? If it is a prime number is very simple. Prime number say that a number should be divisible by its own number or by 1. And if it is divisible by another number, it should not be the prime number. It is not a prime number. So in the first statement, if I'm taking any value, all right, and it is okay, let me take another number. I write it 3. So it's a 30 is divisible by 2. It's saying that only it taken only one value. It is not written 30 is divisible by 2, 30 is divisible by, remember in the previous
Yes.
while prime number it was showing all the number. But why you taking all the number unnecessary? If you need that, that's okay. But if you say that, you can follow that. What are the number which is divisible? But if you say that I don't want a number, I want to check the just output. Okay. So 30 is divisible by 2 means in the first time you find out if a number is divisible by itself or 1, then only. But a number, one number is divisible means it's not a prime number. So as soon if it is divisible by the number, you will break that. You will write it break and it will come out from the, no need to test other number. It's a waste of time. Right? Understand, guys?
Yes, means it means like that we are not segregating how much numbers are divisible by it. If
Right.
it is one
The
divisible by
objective should
only
be
one,
fulfilled.
correct.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So objective should be fulfilled. All right. A quick output if you need to check your case, and if it detected, don't check unnecessary all the other loop. It will take time. All right. So use the break. Fine, Amini. It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
All right. Thank you, Dipti.
Yes, sir.
So none break. We have learned this two statement. All right, which you are manipulating the loop, the condition loop according to your requirement. One is what? The final one is what? Continue.
-1 is that correct?
Minus one is for none, right? Nine, none, 0, -1. It's all the same. So this is what continue statement. What you do with the continue statement. One, two,
It will
three.
check all numbers.
Okay. Okay, let me just complete that. Then we'll see. I've taken all this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see that. Again, this is what? This check the prime, this check what? Even number, right? Only even number will divisible by 2, right? And the remainder will be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So if this condition is true, if the condition is true, continue means here, but what I'm getting here, I'm checking all 2, 4 is my what? Number, right? Which fulfill the condition, right? Got it? 2 and 4, right? But here what we are getting 135. You got it? Why it is happening? Yes.
Only allows the false statement, means which is not.
Exactly. So it's a complete like you are you are sitting into you're using a machine, but what is wrong it's showing right, and what is right it's showing wrong. What will happen with you then? You see that EVM machine something happened that XYZ or too many machines being the controversy comes, right? So there you can do this is how you can manipulate. Okay. So it say that which condition and print that number, and this how output is coming if you write it. Clear?
Yes. So whenever you write with for the statement, it will be take it as opposite of it.
Okay, let me help you. So if number percent 2, that condition which is running, if I write it print num here, all right. So I write print num 24, right? So after continuous statement, so it's printing the number and it's saying that continue for that. Okay, guys, just try with one by one all this first. Just move this. Try this first. Even if I write it here, see that. You see that what is happening here? Even it does not allow to read the data. Okay, let me go one by one. Just first run this. Make it fast, guys. Make it fast. Just be online. Done. Hello. Hello. Yep. Deputy Mesh. You there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go one by one. Go and check all the statement. Put print here, put print here, put print here. And what you observe, you let me know.
Yes, sir. Trying.
Done?
Yes, done.
Yes. So the case, this is the one. When you write it here, the two, and the third, print right here. For three condition. Just check that, and what do you observe? Let me know.
Condition will get only even
Sorry.
when we firstly print here, print just below the if command,
Yeah. All right.
then it will print only even number.
Wait, when you're writing this statement, okay, let me complete. So when you're writing print num here, so what is happening? The condition which is not true, actually the assumption which you have, it's slightly little different. So when the condition is not true, what is happening? What is happening? In if the condition is not true for this, and parallelly alignment array in this print number, so it's taken one x num, so x will take one num, so I'm directly printing num, so one is coming here. When two is print condition is true, I do not have any statement. I do not have any statement, so it is not writing here. Three, again it come here, so print here. Four, again this condition is true, but I have not written any statement. Five, again condition, so it is written here. No data for loop calls, else list data over. Got it, guys? The flow? Yes, Dipti.
Yes, sir.
Now the case
Yes.
two. When the case two, when I write this, what will happen?
It will print around 2 and 5.
Right. If the condition is false, it is printing here. If the condition is true, it is printing here. If the condition is false, it is taking the data and printing here. If the condition is false, printing data. So this is a 5 and how it being here. Got it? Understand? So checking all the condition, what is the use of continue here? What is the use of continue here? So see here, I'm writing this, all this if condition inside this. So it should print two times, right? Print num, right? Right? But it is printing only one time. After continue, it does not allow to execute any other code. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mahesh?
Yes, it means like it will not allow the print. I'm not getting
Right,
why it is not
right.
allowing.
Sorry?
Why it is not allowing to
So
get
that
print here.
that is what the job of the continue statement. Okay.
Okay.
So this is written actually continue, but it is not giving the output. Even if I this right, it will not print anything. Simply not allowing. Clear?
Okay.
If I write in this alignment, means after continue there's no code, so even it will know, but if the condition not matching, it is printing this.
It is like else statement. Is it considering
No.
when
Where's
we are?
else? Else condition only come when this list will over. Got it?
Mhm.
If after this, if this is the code, line of the code. If the condition is true, then this is the code. Got it? It is in the same alignment. For and else in the same alignment. Got it? So for if this loop will get over, then only it will execute. Got it? So yesterday we talked about enlightenment, indentation. So just continue very simple after any code, after the statement, if any code is written, it's not allowed to stay execute. All right. So see here, I did this. Print only even number. So you write print num here. 2, 4, it will give it to you. So this is all about your break, continue, and none. These are the three statements you can put inside the loop and work on. All right, guys. Okay. So now let's jump to the collection topic. Okay. This is all we have done, and this is the third weekend. We have done all this. So now we'll moving into the collection topic, and we'll do multiple operations. So we are moving into the intermediate part. Okay. List, tuple, set, dictionary. I hope you remember that we have done some basic part of this. But what exactly list, tuple, set, dictionary, how multiple options, what are the different operations we can do it, we'll learn that. So let me have a quick revision what we'll learn in list dictionary. So see, this is what we have. Okay. This all comes under collection topic, guys. In every programming language, you have a collection. It helps to store set of data with non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous means different data type. Okay. So we have the major part list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Okay. List, tuple, set, dictionary that we have. And these are the sign. List if you want to write this, tuple you can write this, set you can write this, and dictionary you can write like this. All right. This how we can work list, tuple, set, dictionary. It has the order. Order means you have the address index. It does not have the order. We'll see all this one by one. And just a quick overview of what we're going to learn. There's some background noise, guys. Can you mute yourself? Thank you. This is what we have order. This is we have order. It does not have order. It does not hold any order. Just how we'll see. This is the mixed. It support non-homogeneous. All support non-homogeneous data. Any type of data you can store. Different type of data you can store in a single list, tuple, set, or dictionary. Mutable, you can change the value. What is the difference between list and tuple? You can update the value, but tuple is what? Immutable. You cannot change the value. Only the tuple where you cannot change the value, guys. Just remember. So just keep in mind where you have to list. You have list and tuple. Tuple always use where you know the changes not required, like your transaction detail, right? Your bank transaction detail, the change is not required. All right. Your voter ID, your PAN card, your passport. All right. These are what not changes required. So in that case, you can use a tuple where the changes required your bank balance. Keep changing, updating. You can write Sensex. All right. Share market. All right. This all data you can, the changes required, you can write into a list. So I mentioned we have the index, that is why tossed order, index, non-index. We do not have order. We will see how to read the data. And it read the data in key value pairs. If you call the key, it will give you the output. No any zero index, one index, so address wise you can retrieve the data. The only one thing in set, it does not allow duplicacy. Rest, it allows the duplicate data as well. It does not allow duplicacy. Rest, it allow duplicate data. Alright, guys. So quick
So, so
difference
firstly,
with
I have not understood the difference specifically for order and no order, what it means.
order. Okay,
Index.
index means zero if you want to read data. All right, randomly. So the later is given the index. Let me show you. Address you understand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Correct.
So this is the 0 index, this is the 1 index, 2
Okay.
index, 3 index, right? If you want to read this value, write that LST 4. So it will give you that output. Clear?
Okay.
So this is what called index or order wise you can read that. Okay?
What it means by order?
Okay, both are same. Just
Both are same.
don't get confused. No, it's fine. Okay? Index or you can say right order. It has the index, but it does not have index. So we'll talk about set dictionary one by one. We have all the topic, right? List, then we'll tuple the set and then dictionary. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start from first list. List. The bracket sign is this. It support non-homogeneous data. It can change the value as well, and it has index. Means you can retrieve the data. You can read any data index wise. Okay. All right, guys. So list creation and operation. So this is how we can create a list lst. This is the sequence list of string 1 2 3 4. Got it. 1 2 3 4. You can write string. If you're writing string in a single quote, then list of integers. All right, and inside the list you can write the list as well. List of list. All right, this also we have. Now see that here we have a non-homogeneous data. This is a integer, this is a string, this is also string, sorry, integer, this is what? Float. So this is non-homogeneous data. All right. If you write simply like this bracket, so you're creating empty list, nothing is inside that. Okay. All right. So this is how I can create a list data without data as well. So this part is clear. This mixed, we have mixed data type. So you see how to read the data. You simply write print or print and lst3, right? Give you the output. Okay. We can change this mutable and index. I will come back later onto mutable. Index means if you want to read this, okay, and this it's a 0, it's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 3. So if you want to read second, 0 1 2. Fine, Mahesh, clear? So you can read the address like this. So this is what index. All right.
Okay.
If you want to change the value, all right, let's say 24. It's mutable, means you can change the value 24. You write it 25, and then you write LST3, and you read this again. The value of 2. So here it's a 25 now. Got it?
Got it. Yes.
Or you can directly write LST3 print as well. You can all this option. Now it's 25. Clear? All this clear points? Yes, Samani, Dipti.
Yes, yes, clear.
Yes.
All
Sir,
right.
if you give print also, it will print also.
Hmm.
If we didn't use print and directly what if we type what we are writing, it can be print also.
What is the difference between print and without print? If I write print, if I write everywhere print, 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 all right, it will print all the three values. All right. But if you do not write the print, it always execute the last value. Clear?
Okay.
That is the difference between print and non-print. All right, Amni,
Yes.
clear? Okay. All right then. So this how it can. Very good. LST3 Shyam. Okay, just try this fast. Hello.
Yes, done. Okay, first.
Yes, guys, rest done. Now see here. LST3 1, and this I believe I have done. One position Ramu, I want to change the name Shyam. So this is how you can do that. Right? Clear? Now, some this we have done already. How this is how we update the value. Now, the point is what else? Let's talk about LST2. So if I write LST2, so what we have in LST2, see here, list of list. Clear? I want to change this value. What I will do, Mahesh, how I can do that? What the statement I will write?
Which value do you want to change?
This one. I want to write 3.
Instead of 2,
Hmm. I told you how to make the
right?
changes, right? The position and the value.
Yes, yes. Just you have to write that list 2, and
Hmm.
in which we can write a 0 and 1
Hmm.
and
Exactly. Good.
equal to 0.
Ex- Exactly. Good. So see here. This is 0 index, right, guys? 1, 2. But inside that also we have multiple values. So even inside it's a nested address. So 0. Now this is a 0, and this is what 1. So how I will write the address, as Mahesh said, I want to change the value 0. 0 means it will come 0. Inside this 0 I've written multiple 2 address. So inside the 0 I want to change the 5 by, let's make it 5, or let's make it 3. Got it? So now I'm printing LST3. right? LST, sorry, LST2, not my mistake, LST, I'm getting confused. Not write this, not write this. LST2, so see here, 1, 3 is coming. Clear, guys? Yeah, so this is the double indexing. All good? Make it fast. LST2, this is how we write how many. This is the multiple address I can write in. Inside, nested address, you can say, please. LST3 1, you know that, what I'm trying to do here. Try this fast. Done.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Done.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. LST, if you want to append, okay. If you want to append a new record, right? Understand append, right? A new record. So let's say LST3, I want to append a new record. So you can write LST list name equal to hi. Now you write, so just let me complete that one by one. Okay. LST3,
mm-hmm.
I added hi. So when I print LST3, right? Now it is coming hi, right? Earlier it was LST3, only one, two, three, four. Four elements, now we have five elements. Okay. Append hello. There's a two way to append a record. This is the one way, and this is the second way. All right, guys. But what is the difference between? We'll learn that as well. Append hello. Now you write print lst3. Now we have hi, hello both coming. Got it? Now
Okay.
I want to do it by position wise. It is whatever the value we are appending, it is coming at last by default, right? If I'm saying that I want to add the append the new record into this position, one position. So we will use what? Insert. Got it? Insert. This is the position 2, and I want to put hello. So 0, 1, 2. Here it will come. All right. I'm okay. I'm doing this statement, I guess, in LST1. This is LST3. So LST1. LST1, we have 4 elements. You can write it anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2. So here the value will come. Let me show you. LST1 dot insert. So this is the difference, guys, between append and insert. Got it? In insert, you can define the position as well where you want to put the value. 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. Their value is coming. It and this value will not get override. Remember, it will not get override. This is in earlier 3 was here. Now it is coming on this position. So it will not override. It is appending. Okay. Now print lst1. I've written this output is coming. LST remove. If you want to remove the data, all right. If you want to remove the data, so what will happen? Remove LST, 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 LST. You have LST. Okay. I want to remove this, not index wise. So when you're removing the data, you're not passing the index value. You're passing the direct value. So remove two. So when now I'm printing print LST, it is giving 1342 is, yeah. So only and this, okay, now this statement. I was trying to put append only take on a single argument, guys. Remember, it takes only single argument. Okay, it will take only single argument. Append will not take a multiple argument. If I'm writing, I'm getting exception. Only insert, you can pass the two argument. Clear, guys? Okay, make it fast. Do that.
So the insert, will it show the position wise, or will it just like append, but two values can be changed
No,
for the
no, no,
insert
hold
case?
on.
Is a
I'm saying
position,
on to
right?
this position. I'm saying on this position, this is the position, append this, add this value. Got it? Hello?
Yes.
You're saying, can I put multiple value? Hello, 2.
Mhm.
It will not take it. Okay. You're given, it takes only exact two arguments. You cannot pass multiple arguments. Got it? Two already removed. Okay. Do that fast. Two already have deleted, so again running a test showing this. Yes. Make it fast. Yeah, 10 minutes more.
So what will plus equal to addition and append? Because that both will do same case to add the value.
Append and insert and this way. This is the three way to append and record. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
Mhm.
This is the one way and this is the append also one way. Both does not have option to take position. It will always put the record at last. If you want to a specific position, so you can use the insert. And insert only you are allowed to pass two arguments only. You cannot pass multiple arguments, more than two. Got it? Done. It is for all the political parties. Yes, how many done? Make it fast.
Yeah, done.
Now just get the difference between append and extend, right? LST, LST1 I have taken. Just mute yourself, please. See one more, some more cases. Append you learn, insert you learn, and this statement you learn. You understand the difference as well. Now we have extend and append. Now see. Let's say key there's a two list. I want to add this two list. Fine. I want to add this two list. This is the two batch one and batch two. Let's say I want to merge both the batch. So how will you do that? What are the data? I want to merge both the batch in a single batch. Okay. So lst dot append lst1. Got it? lst dot append lst1. This is how you can use this as well. And you know print lst. The output will come like because in the lst I have append this lst1. So this is how it's look like. It look like a list of list right inside the list. All right. If it's this coming list of list kind of thing. So if you want to show in our single list, if you want to see a single list because you have merged, so you can write extend lst extend lst1, so it will give you the single list for that. Clear? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
This is the between and then I can go to this job, but it show two list, but it will show you single list. That's on the difference. This is more presentable. Done.
Yes, done.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now write down delete or pop. What is the difference between delete or pop? So I believe all of you are using Windows, right? So if you delete any data and if you want to recover the data, what you do? There's an option called recycle bin, right? And there's an option called permanent delete as well. If you do the permanent delete, it won't recover from recycle bin. So that is what we have a difference. Delete is like a permanent delete. Pop is what? Recover. Okay. Please mute yourself. Thank you. So this is what we have the difference. Delete or
Can you
pop.
please pardon it?
Delete is just like a permanent delete, and pop is like temporary delete, which can be recovered.
Okay.
Okay. So LST is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Print LST. Now, if you want to delete by position wise, delete index number 1. So it got deleted too. Now, if I print LST, it is deleted. Okay. Now take again a list. I am deleting, and if I want to recover this data, I want to write a to this. So LST dot pop, and I'm passing the argument which position 1. So got deleted. But if I write print LST, it will show 1, 3, 4, and if I write print a, the 2 will value will be coming into this. Got it? So just this is also print a into this. Clear? Understand the difference between the list delete and pop? Try this.
Yes.
So how we can decide that it is not permanent delete and permanent delete, like not permanent
Again,
delete?
it's a requirement based on what you want to delete and what you do not want to delete. If you want to recover, so on your machine, what you are deleting and not deleting, a file deleted or not deleted. It's a requirement based. Okay.
Yes. Sure.
So if it is a requirement based, this is the option you have.
When we see the print LST, it is deleting its the value which we have said in pop command, correct? And same way
Right,
in
right,
delete
right.
command as well.
No, simple. Delete will, this is clear. LST1. You deleted this, you cannot recover this 2 now, right?
Okay. Okay.
When I write 1, right, so 2, this position value has been deleted. If I want to see this value, it is not permanently deleted. So right print it is coming. But from
Okay.
list it is gone.
Got it. Got it.
Done. Yes, done.
Yes, done.
Just write on one assignment like in recycle bin when you want to go like what are the file I have deleted, right? There's an option called put back, right? Put back in the disk. If I want to do the same job, then here, how will do that? Got it? If I want to get this 2 in this LST, how will do that? Clear, guys? Hello?
Pardon, sir.
The data which I deleted using put, if I want to get back that same element into my list, how will do that? Okay.
Okay.
It is just like a recycle bin that you said.
Yeah, that is one. I've given the example as well. This is what in Mac, this is in trash, it's deleted temporary. If I want to put back, there's option called
Mm-hmm.
put back, right?
Correct.
So how to do that in the Python? Okay. So let me just help you. 10 a.m. batch weekend. We just started, right? The topic which we have for you is latest book. Delete pop, right? List we have done. Delete. Okay, guys. So the video will be available in LMS. If still you have not, please drop the mail, check support, and start accessing the video. See you then next weekend, same time. I mean, coming weekend, 10 morning. Thank you. Happy weekend. Take care.
Thank you, sir.